Who wants a YouTube web address that nobody's going to remember? No one! Who wants a custom YouTube URL like this?
Yeah, boy.
Then follow me till the end of this video. There's only one way to do it, and that is by heading over to your YouTube studio, that being in your customization screen, which you will find in the navigation bar on your left side. Click this basic info tab on your screen and then scroll down until you see channel URL. Now, before setting this up, there are some requirements for this. First of all, you need 100 YouTube subscribers. The channel needs to be at least 30 days old, and you should have a channel banner and a profile picture uploaded to your channel, both of which you can do it from the same customization screen under the browsing tab. If you have met the requirements, give YouTube at least 2 to 3 days before you see this custom URL option. If you haven't met the requirements, you're not eligible to get a custom URL, and you simply would not see the link in this basic info tab. But if you are eligible, you'll see this custom URL option under your channel ID. The first one would be the default channel URL that matches with your channel name as closely as possible. But this will not happen all the time, because if you have the same channel name as someone else and they have already claimed the URL. Now in these cases, you can go for the second option, which will allow you to customize your URL as you want. To avoid this, have a simple and unique channel name which you can turn into a custom URL. So the next thing you should do is publish the changes, upon which you'll see this pop-up screen asking you to confirm your ownership of this channel. If you decide this isn't the right URL for your channel, click the delete link, and which will take you to the Google About Me page. Then click on your YouTube custom link, click remove, which will then free you to go and get another custom URL on YouTube. There's another thing that I need to clarify, that it will not replace your random channel URL, because this is your channel's original ID. So, in conclusion, the custom URL does not require any additional characters. So you can shorten your link and share your channel as youtube.com/your channel name. And finally, if you are creating your custom URL, what would it be? Let us know in the comments below. And now we have come to the end of this video, and this channel is all about educating you about freelancing tips and money making ideas. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.